Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 7,012. Behaves like the high ridge of the canyon. If the outlaws crest this, they are making a run for the gold mines. Value area low, VAL, 7,004. The dusty floor of the gulch where the sheriff is trying to keep the peace. Falling below means trouble in town. Point of control, POC, 7,007. The town saloon, where every gunslinger and gambler has gathered to make their deals today. Support zone, 7,004 to 7,007. The fortified bank vault, where the town's treasure is currently being defended by the locals. Resistance zone, 7,012 to 7,036. The steep mountain pass where the bandits have set up their sniping positions. Single Prince escape paths, lower, 6,999 to 7,002. A secret trail through the brush that is rarely traveled. Watch for a quick ambush if price slips here. Upper, 7,030 to 7,036. The wide open plains beyond the ridge. If the horses get through here, there is nothing but clear sky ahead. Market context. The frontier today looks like a tense standoff in the middle of Main Street. The market is hunkered down between 6,999 and 7,036, waiting for someone to draw their iron. With CVD showing a massive surge of buying, it looks like the cattle drive is in full swing. Though we are currently resting near the saloon, it is a balancing act on the ridge. Sideways movement with a decidedly bullish, spurs, clinking swagger. 3-day march through the territory. Day 3, January 11th, POC 6,999, high 7,009, low 6,992, outlaws testing the perimeter fence but finding no easy way out. Day 2, January 12th, POC 6,966, high 7,025, low 6,950. A wild skirmish that covered the whole valley and left everyone dusty. Day 1, January 13th, POC 7,007, high 7,036, low 6,999. The rancher is staking a claim at higher ground and holding the line. Value dipped into the gulch before rising back to the high ridge over 3 sessions. Today, balanced at the top of the range. Acceptance above the canyon ridge would signal a new gold rush. Failure to hold the gulch floor invites a long ride back to the low desert. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session open, CVD. Negative 2,179 contracts. The morning began with a few outlaws sneaking out of town under the cover of darkness. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to 21,676. A full-on stampede of bulls charging into the town square with bags of gold. Current CVD, 9,043 net plus 11,222 from open, meaning the buyers are still holding the town, even if they have settled in for a drink. Intraday low, CVD low. Negative 5,280, a moment of doubt when the sheriff almost lost his badge at the start of the day. Interpretation. Aggressive buying delta has dominated the session. Any attempt to rob the bank will need a lot more firepower than the sellers currently possess. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Near the gulch floor at 7,004 to 7,007. Stop loss. Below the secret trail at approximately 6,999. 4 ticks beneath VAL, or use average true range, AATR, approximately 6 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at the Town Saloon, 7,007. Major target at the Canyon Ridge, 7,012. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of the ridge at 7,012 to 7,036, or breakdown through the gulch floor. Stop loss. Above the mountain pass at approximately 7,040, or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for the first loot, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended rock after the first bag of gold is secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. The posse breaks through the ridge at 7,012 and heads for the mines. Setup. Enter long above 7,012 with stop at 7,007. POC. Target 7,036 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The outlaws get spooked at the ridge and retreat back toward the saloon. Setup. Short on first failure off 7,012. Stop above 7,036. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The sheriff loses control of the gulch at 7,004. Setup. Short a break below 7,004. Stop above 7,009. Recent swing high. Target 6,999 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The townspeople rally at the gulch and find hidden treasure. Setup. Long at 7,004. Stop at 6,999. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.